You're tired even after exercise. Your energy may be blocked. Let's move it differently. Movement isn't just about fitness. It's about the energy flow. Gentle stretching, enhance your yawning will help your energy flow. You don't need 1 hour at gym. Just 5 minutes of conscious movement can make you feel alive again. Let me show you how to enhance your yawning. Let me move back, then you can see it clearly. Collect the chi like this with your palm. 1, 2, 3. Then move your palm up like you're holding the ball up while inhale. Inhale, inhale, inhale. When your palm is get your chest, hold your breath, going all the way up, 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 up until you go over your head. You can cross your hand and turn the palm up. Stretch, 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 stretch until you cannot stretch. Then you let go with a ha, exhale. Ha. You do it 3 or 5 times in the morning. You can do it when you feel tired at your desk. You will feel the difference. Did you feel it? That's your vitality returning. Thank you very much. I will see you again.